of this event today. Please welcome Teacher Budmin Kosol from Suvarnabhumi School, Chompu 1 campus, under the motion of Asia needs to do more to protect the environment. Please welcome.
Good morning. I was so shocked to see my name at the very bottom of the list. I never like to be the last one. I always like to be the first one, be the volunteer. You ask me, I gotta raise my hand up and answer the question. Anyway, it doesn't matter this morning. The matter this morning is about, I got a very hard topic to talk, to express about my personal view this morning. So, may I pay my high respects to the Mr. Kampon, the CEO of the NTC Group, my honorable judges, respected audience, and my beloved fellow contestants. Before I start, may I have your attention to answer only one of my questions, please. And the volunteer from the contestant, please. Volunteer answer. Thank you. Thank you. To you, how do you define the word environment?
Environment refers to a place where we are living.
Place where we are living. That's cool. Thank you so much. May I have some participation from our audience, beloved audience. Thank you. What does the word environment mean to you?
Environment is about everything around us.
Everything around us.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Everything, that's correct. You've got a totally correct answer. According to the Oxford Advanced Learning Dictionary, environment refers to the natural place where people, animals, plants, everything we are living in. Thank you. So, environment's been a very, very hard topic for us, not just a new topic. So it brings a lot of discussions. And today, I'm so honored to present you my personal view under the topic Asia needs to do more to protect the environment. At the moment we have discussed one of the keywords in the topic already, is the environment. Second, I'm going to discuss the word more. When you heard the word more, when someone asks you, hey, you gotta do more, so you ask back, what? Didn't I do enough? For sure, we, or maybe Asia, have done something to protect our environment. But actually, you need to do more, and we are going to discuss what is more. Third is the word Asia. When you hear the word Asia, what do you think about? Government? 24 countries in Asia. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to express some of my personal view. Actually, there are many things we can do more, but I'm going to raise up only two things, which is one is even the topic mentioned the word Asia, but actually first it starts from us. It starts from each of us. Some 2 years ago, in my campus, Suvarnabhumi 1 campus, one of our teacher has done a project called character building. Actually, the aim of the project is to improve the characteristics, the personalities, the attitude of the students, because we refer to the students to love each other. But actually, it contains the very special objective inside the project, because we want to build the love and passion to the students, to love the environment, to love where they are living in, to love to keep clean where they are studying, especially school. So, what have we done? We led them to plant their vegetables, some trees, and clean the classroom, and we keep on doing that each year, each other time. This is what we call more. We do not do it only one time, and it starts from us, and we do not do it only one time. We gotta do it more. And we also have the plan of that character building, and it contains similar objectives for this kind of project. And actually, because it starts from us, but the second point is we also need the help from the government. So what kind of help do you expect to get from the government? We have heard a lot of when people in this area get hurt and get suffered from the storm, from the flood, governments or Red Cross send a donation to help them. This is the kind of help you expect from the government. I don't need to ask the volunteer. I know you will say no. It's not the kind of help I need from my government. If you got a chance to ask or to propose to the government to help my area to make it better and protect our area from the storm, from the natural disaster because of destruction of the environment, we would do that. We would choose that. But actually, it already happened. So lastly, I'm going to sum up what I have mentioned, that is, even the topic is about Asia, but it has to start from each of us, and we do need help from the government. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Kosong. Okay, so right now it's time for questions from the judges.
Hello, teacher Kisol.
Yes, hello.
So this topic focus on Asia.
Yes,
So
Asia.
can you share with us your knowledge about how Asia has done in order to contribute in saving the environment of the world? What has this continent or those countries have done so far to save the environment?
Excuse me, can you repeat that again and make it seem more simple?
Okay, my question is, what have those countries in Asia done to save the environment in the world?
Asia has done to save the environment of the world.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It's kind of a tough question, yeah. Yeah, because Asia is a part of the world and they've done something to save the whole world. According to my, I have listened to some of the news from Radio French International, that's what we call it. Yeah, in short, RFE. And it's been announcing some of the campaign from the, I'm going to narrow down to only the Cambodia government, because we are one of the Asias that we have what should I say, started a campaign to motivate the organizations, public organizations, and also the private organizations to improve the activities to each of the members, because like I said, it has to start from us. So the government have supported with budgets so that we can improve, we can focus more on the goal that they have set to us in order to protect the environment, the community we ever live in. Thank you.